Speak Up English, the key to success.
Mia, I've been wanting to improve my English speaking skills. Do you have any tips?
Of course, Michael. English can be a tricky language, but it's all about practice. First, watch English movies or TV shows with subtitles. It's like learning while having fun.
That sounds doable. Any movie recommendations?
How about starting with something light like a rom-com? You'll pick up phrases and have a good time.
Rom-com it is. What's next?
Conversation is key. Try finding a language exchange partner or join a conversation club. It'll boost your confidence.
Good idea. And I heard practicing tongue twisters can help. Know any fun ones?
Absolutely. How about this one? She sells seashells by the seashore.
She sells seashells by the seashore. Phew, that's tricky.
You'll get the hang of it. And speaking of hang, don't forget to hang out with native speakers when you can. Immersion is the best teacher.
That makes sense. But what if I make mistakes?
Mistakes are part of learning, Michael. Don't worry about them. In fact, here's a joke for you. Why was the math book sad? Because it had too many problems.
That's a good one, Mia. Thanks for the reminder about not taking things too seriously.
Oh, you're welcome, Michael. Learning should be fun. And remember, confidence is half the battle. Believe in yourself.
I will, Mia. Thanks for these awesome tips. I'm excited to start my English learning journey.
Anytime, Michael. Learning a new language is like unlocking a whole new world.
You know, Mia, I'm starting to see that learning English can be quite an adventure.
Absolutely, Michael. Language is like a treasure hunt, and each word you learn is a new discovery.
I also heard that reading can help. Do you have any book recommendations?
Reading is a great way to expand your vocabulary. You might enjoy classics like To Kill a Mockingbird or contemporary novels like The Fault in Our Stars.
Those sound interesting. And speaking of vocabulary, do you have any tricks to remember new words?
Mnemonics can be your best friend. Create funny or memorable associations for new words. Like, gargantuan sounds like a giant's yawn.
Gargantuan it is. I won't forget that one. What about grammar?
Grammar can be tricky, but there are tons of online resources with exercises and explanations. And don't forget to practice speaking and writing regularly.
I'm ready to dive into this journey, Mia. Thanks for all the guidance.
You've got this, Michael. Just keep at it, And one day, you'll be speaking English like a pro.
And when that day comes, I'll owe it to you, Mia.
No need for that, Michael. Just promise to teach me some tongue twisters in your language.
Deal. And we can have our own language exchange. You know, Mia, it's not just about learning English. This journey is helping me see the world from different angles.
That's one of the beautiful things about language learning. It opens your mind to new cultures, ideas, and ways of thinking.
And it's amazing how a simple conversation can lead to such profound insights.
Conversations are like bridges that connect people and ideas, Michael.
Well, I'm glad we built this bridge today, Mia.
Me too, Michael. Learning and growing together, that's what it's all about.
You know, one day, I want to speak English fluently and confidently.
I have no doubt you'll get there, Michael. Just remember that every word you learn is a step closer to your goal.
Thanks for being a part of my journey, Mia. It means a lot.
Anytime, Michael. And remember, learning is not just about the destination, it's about enjoying the journey.
Well, Mia, I guess it's time to kickstart this English learning adventure.
Go for it, Michael. Remember, every word you learn is a small victory.
I'll keep that in mind. And hey, if I ever get tongue-tied with English, can I count on you for some tips?
Absolutely. Just don't forget to teach me some photography tricks too.
It's a deal. We'll be each other's language and skill buddies.
Looking forward to it, Michael. Remember, the world's a big place, and language is your key to exploring it.
Thanks, Mia, for the guidance and the friendship. Here's to new adventures. Mia, this conversation has been incredible. I feel so motivated to start my English journey.
I'm thrilled to hear that, Michael. Remember, every small step counts, and I'm here whenever you need advice or just a friendly chat.
Thank you, Mia. And don't forget, when I become a photography pro, you'll be my first model.
I'm looking forward to it. Just make sure to capture my good side.
Of course, I'll capture your best angles.
Deal! And when you're giving TED Talks about your English fluency, don't forget to mention your conversation with me.
It'll be in the credits for sure.
Michael, remember that learning isn't just about language or skills. It's about the connections we make along the way.
You're right, Mia. This conversation has been about so much more than just English. It's been about friendship and inspiration.
That's the beauty of conversations. They can change our perspective and enrich our lives.
Well, I'm grateful for this conversation and the connection we've formed today.
Likewise, Michael. Take care, keep learning, and remember, you've got a world of words waiting to be explored.
I will, Mia. Until next time.